Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Wulandari. So I would like to do my reading report video for the second topic about the second language acquisition, first language, second language, and foreign language. So for the learning focus that I want to talk about and what I already read in three material from Seyfield, Toric, 2006, and then Gaze and Schillinger 2008, and also Hamel for 2014 is about the first language acquisition, second language acquisition, and also the foreign language acquisition. Like, and then what is the SLA? Is it, and why do it's really we need to learn about the second language acquisition? So the first I want to talk about the first material is about the first language acquisition. So what is first language acquisition? Is the language that we learn when we are born, when we are baby, like when we born until we are in third and until we 3 years old. Sorry, uh, that's we learn that is the first language. So that is the process when we are baby or the babies is learn about their first language when they are born, like I said before. So it is automatically without they are realized. We and I too is not realized when we born when a baby. I learned about the language. I can speak Indonesian, for example. Like no one is teach me the grammar like my mother or my father never teach me the grammar, but I can speak because usually my daily my father my mother, my brother, or my sister, or my whole family, or the people around me is speak in Indonesia. I just learned from that. Maybe because I'm not, we are or me not remember what we do in our baby, right? And yeah, we just like know about the EU, or we just can cry when our baby, and then after that we have the process. We know about the word, we know about the word, and then like we speak like a mama, papa, or maybe we like I want to milk, like that. We learn, we can speak in that without know about it. And then we learn the sentence, for example, like we just know about the milk, but and then we can learn about the I want to milk. So why is important? Yeah, of course that's because important. If we not know about our first language, of course we cannot speak, we cannot have the conversation. We had the speaking issue, of course, when we don't know about our first language. And also if we don't have the strong first language, we cannot learn about our second language, right? So the first language is the strong foundation we need that we need to learn about the second language. And second language acquisition. So after we learn first language, second language acquisition is the process how we can learn about the second language. It's of course different because we learn this after we have the first language. It can be called a target language, like the language that we want to expert in there. And it's not just our second language, it can be third or fourth that we want to learn. So how we can learn about the second language? The first one is the informal. Informal is for example, me as Indonesian people, or maybe as as Indonesian people, someday I move, for example, to go to Australia, or maybe UK or US. So of course when I already move in there, I should learn about the language in there. And of course I will always interaction or have the conversation with the native speaker in there. Then the second one is the formal. The formal is for example sorry, for example, like I uh, go to the course to learn about the Mandarin language, but I just learned about the Mandarin in the Mandarin language in Indonesia, for example, or maybe I take the core English course, for example, or French or language French course, for example, and then had the mixed or yeah mixed. For example, like I'm as Indonesian people, I go to the study abroad in the for example in the Korea, for example, and then I take the course Korean language. Then I go to the I study in Korean and I take Korean language, and also I can practice too because I'm in Korea. I can speak with the native speaker of the Korea. That's for example. Then that is the question in the SLA, that what we learn. We just not just learn grammar. We learn about the word, and then we learn about the culture and how to communicate, and then how we can learn that from our brain, and then we have the strategies, and also we had the our if informant that is support us, we can learn about it. If we move maybe to US, we can get the fluent English uh, face than the people in Indonesian English to learn about their second language as English, for example. And then why the people it can be so expert in there, but uh, another people it can be struggle too. So it can be a factor, it can be the social factor, and then the age, and then the social, and also the economy too. And also the factor that is how big influence is in the linguistic way, and in the psychology, and also sociolinguistic and psychology social. And next is about the foreign language or FLA. So, foreign language is the we learn about like the example I said before, that I study abroad in the Korea, and then I learn about the Korean language in there in Korea. So I can learn Korea in the I can learn about the culture Korea or language Korea in the Korea. So I can learn with the native speaker, right? So that is the foreign language. So in the our daily, we can use our first language, and then we can in my second language I can use when I go to the study, for example. That is a daily. So what is the difference between SLA and FLA? SLA is we use that the language in our daily. But in FLA, we just learn the language when we learn to. For example, like me, I'm Indonesia. My I'm Indonesian people. Uh, and I learn about the English course because I'm English student department. But I just learn or use that in my class, for example, in my course. That is even I can use that in uh, out of the university because maybe I interact a lot of uh, with the native speaker or in with the mm, yeah that the people use second language English as their second language. So, but yeah, it's not much, just a lot. So the exports can be limited. So yeah, what is SLA is it? Is back then when I read and I talk about. So basically, SLA is the study how we learn about the how people can process their second language in their brain after they are learn about their first language. It's like how human brain can make a new system or their new system in their brain to speak another language that they never learned about it. It can be called interlanguage. So interlanguage is like the mixed language that we meet when we learn For example, like um, Indonesian people is said she go to school, but actually is she goes, not she go to school. It's just internal when we learn. So SLA help the branch. It can be L2, L2, L3, or L4. It can be formal and informal that I said before. And what is the purpose to is for to school like me to learn as student to learn that is my purpose in there. But after I graduate, I can make the purpose to work, for example, to communicate, or for yeah, for our daily, because I want in the future I want to move to Australia, or I want to move to UK. So that's my purpose, why I want to learn about my second language. And why do we need to learn about the second language? The first one is to understand what is the language is in our brain. And for academic like me, like the academic one is for the teacher, like we can know about the what is the teacher do, and how we can have the teaching method to we know that is how to teach effectively, not just to remember the grammar, but how to we can practice too. And then the social and then culture too, like this is can be decrease the misunderstanding in the cross cultural understanding. So yeah, and then the culture policy atau language policy, that is really important, because in the our bilingual, when we learn our second language, we not just learn the language, right? We also learn about the culture, the education, and then like the immigration when we want to go there. Yeah, for that. For example, like sorry, I forget. English only is just in use, but we will think that is the depend for SLA research. And then for the individual or in the personal, it can be a development like a self development that we can understand that is this is wrong, and then how we can fix it. So yeah, I learned this is because I can know about that. So yeah, so that it can be give the strategy to how I can learn about my second language. And yeah, I think that's all. Maybe the for the summary that I can get is FLA first language is when we are speaking born until we like this, and then the SLA is the language that we learn after we know our first language, and then the foreign LA is we just learn in the class or for our education. And why we learn SLA to make a strategy to know about how to process the language in our brain. I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.